We begin this morning as the International Monetary Fund cuts its global economic outlook. It expects global growth to slow to 2.7% in 2023, saying that next year will feel like a recession for millions around the world. Our Lee Ji-yoon starts us off this morning.
More bad news for the global economy. In its latest World Economic Outlook, the IMF has lowered its global growth forecast for next year to 2.7%. The new forecast is 0.2 percentage points lower than the previous one in July. This is the fourth downward revision this year. The IMF's top economist laid out three major factors currently hindering growth.
The global economy continues to face steep challenges shaped by three powerful forces: the Russian invasion of Ukraine, the cost of living crisis caused by persistent and broadening inflation pressures, and the slowdown in China.
Emerging economies have been hit hard by rising commodity prices, particularly those affecting food and fuel supplies. What's worse is that the report warned of a global recession.
The three largest economies, the United States, China, and the euro area, will continue to stall. In short, the worst is yet to come, and for many people, 2023 will feel like a recession.
Meanwhile, the IMF cut next year's growth estimate for South Korea to 2% from the previous forecast of 2.1%, citing growing downside risks for the global economy. As for inflation, the IMF raised its 2022 inflation outlook for Korea to 5.5%, up from its previous forecast of 4% made in April. And for next year, the IMF also raised South Korea's inflation forecast to 3.8%, up 1.3 percentage points from its April forecast. Lee Ji-yoon, Arirang News.